Welcome to this tutorial on using Klarna Payment, a popular buy now pay later service that allows you to shop now and pay later. In this guide we will walk you through the steps to use Klarna Payment and provide you with tips and best practices to get the most out of this service. Firstly, to use Klarna Payment you need to have a Klarna account. You can sign up for an account on the Klarna website or through the Klarna app. Once you have an account you can start shopping at any of the thousands of online stores that accept Klarna Payment. When you are ready to make a purchase, simply select Klarna as your payment method at checkout. You will then be redirected to the Klarna website where you can review your order and select your payment plan. Klarna offers a range of payment plans, including pay in 30 days, pay in 6 to 36 months, and financing options. One of the key benefits of using Klarna Payment is that you can try before you buy, and only pay for the items you keep. This is especially useful for online shopping, where you may not be able to see the product before you buy it. Additionally, Klarna does not charge any interest or fees if you pay on time, making it a cost-effective way to shop. To get the most out of Klarna Payment, it is essential to make your payments on time. Late payments can result in fees and interest, and may also affect your credit score. To avoid this, make sure you set up a payment plan that works for you, and set reminders for your payment due dates. Another tip is to only spend what you can afford to pay back. Klarna Payment is a form of credit, and you should only use it to purchase items that you can afford to pay for. Make sure you review your budget and financial situation before making a purchase, and only buy what you need. In conclusion, using Klarna Payment can be a convenient and cost-effective way to shop online. By following these tips and best practices, you can get the most out of this service and avoid any potential pitfalls. Remember to always make your payments on time, only spend what you can afford, and review your budget and financial situation before making a purchase. With Klarna Payment, you can shop now and pay later, with confidence and control.